When organizations begin implementing ISO IEC 27001, many people immediately think about security controls, firewalls, access management, encryption. But the standard starts somewhere completely different. Before selecting any controls, an organization must first understand itself, its business, its environment, its stakeholders, and the boundaries of its information security management system. That's exactly what Clause 4 is about. It establishes the context in which the information security management system will operate and provides the foundation for everything that follows. Let's start by looking at why this first management step is so important. Information security cannot exist in isolation. The same security approach will not be appropriate for every organization. A software company has different priorities than a hospital. A manufacturer faces different risks than a financial institution. Clause 4 ensures that the information security management system is designed around the organization's actual environment. Rather than applying generic controls, the information security management system should support the organization's objectives and address its specific risks. To achieve this, Clause 4 is divided into several key activities. It begins by understanding the organization and its context. Next, it considers the needs and expectations of interested parties. Based on this information, the scope of the information security management system is defined. Finally, the organization establishes the information security management system itself. Each activity builds on the previous one, creating a solid foundation for the remaining clauses of the standard. The first step is understanding the organization itself. Every organization operates within a unique environment. Internal factors may include organizational structure, business processes, available resources, and company culture. External factors may include legal requirements, customer expectations, market conditions, and technological developments. Understanding these factors helps ensure that the information security management system reflects the organization's real operating environment rather than relying on generic assumptions. Once the organization's context has been understood, attention shifts to the people and organizations that interact with it. No organization operates alone. Customers, employees, suppliers, regulators, and business partners may all have expectations regarding information security. Clause 4 requires organizations to identify these interested parties and determine which of their requirements are relevant to the information security management system. Understanding these expectations helps ensure that the information security management system supports both business objectives and compliance obligations. With this information available, the organization can determine the boundaries of its information security management system. The scope defines exactly what is included within the information security management system. Depending on the organization, the scope may cover the entire business or only specific departments, locations, products, or services. Clearly defining these boundaries is essential because every later activity within the information security management system depends on them. An unclear scope can lead to inconsistent implementation and unnecessary complexity. Once the scope has been established, the organization can formally establish its information security management system. The final step of Clause 4 is establishing the information security management system itself. The information security management system provides the structured framework through which the organization manages information security. It brings together policies, processes, responsibilities, and continual improvement activities into one coherent management system. This framework becomes the basis for all subsequent clauses of ISO IEC 27001. With the organizational context established, the standard can now move toward leadership, planning, and implementation. Let's summarize the key points. Clause 4 establishes the foundation of ISO IEC 27001. It begins by understanding the organization and its operating environment. It considers the expectations of relevant interested parties, defines the scope of the information security management system, and establishes the information security management system itself. Rather than focusing on technical security controls, Clause 4 ensures that information security is aligned with the organization's business context from the very beginning. If you want to go beyond this introduction to ISO IEC 27001, we offer comprehensive online training programs on our website. Our self-paced courses explain every clause of the standard in greater detail, together with practical implementation guidance, risk management concepts, and real-world examples of information security management systems. In addition to ISO IEC 27001, we also provide training on ISO 9001, ISO 31000, functional safety, automotive standards, and aerospace engineering standards. You can find the link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. We regularly publish educational content covering information security, quality management, risk management, functional safety, and systems engineering. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.